Reviewing Ricky's memory in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you what I've remembered about your business, how to correct or remove an entry, and how to add a standing fact directly. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Ricky's Brain from your dashboard. This page shows what I've remembered from past conversations and activity across your organization. Things like a preference someone stated or a recurring pattern I picked up on. Scroll through the list to see what's been retained. If something here is outdated or simply wrong, a preference that changed or a fact that no longer applies, click it and select Remove, so I stop referencing it going forward. If you want me to always know something without waiting for it to come up naturally in conversation, click Add Memory and enter it directly. That's useful for standing facts, like which tanks are permanently offline for repair. Review this page periodically, especially after a process change, so my memory reflects how things actually work now, not how they worked when that memory was first formed.